checking continuity, this is the last sum, right? After that, they will be giving us the continuity and we will be finding out the values of the constants. Okay. So at x is equal to 1, for plus 1 and minus 1, both the points, they have defined this function. But we are interested in only plus 1. So this is x tends to 1. X is not equal to plus 1 means x tends to 1. We are not bothered whether minus 1 is there or not. Similarly, this is f of 1. My first step in continuity is over, checking the continuity. I mean to say, identifying the function. Now, f of 1 is being given as 2. F of 1 is being given as 2. Limit of fx as x tends to 1. For x tends to 1, the function is being defined as this. So the factors of the numerator are x minus 3, x minus 1. If I apply the formula of s square minus b square, x minus 1, x plus 1. X minus 1 gets cancelled. Let's replace x by 1. 1 minus 3 minus 2. 1 plus 1, 2. I get the value as minus 1. So once again, f of 1 is not equal to limit of fx as x tends to 1. The function is discontinuous. Are you getting this now? This is 2 and this is minus 1. Values are unequal. So function is discontinuous. Right? Now, if somebody asks, both the functions are discontinuous. Here it is 4 and 3, function is discontinuous. Here it is 2 and minus 1, function is discontinuous. So, is the discontinuity removable? Sometimes they ask whether the discontinuity is removable. Now, if the discontinuity is over a period of interval, then discontinuity cannot be removed. जैसे कि बच्चों यहाँ अगर आप देखोगे तो x के वैल्यूज 0 to 2 मतलब इनफाइनाइट पॉइंट्स पे डिस्कंटिन्यूटी है. यहाँ भी 2 to 5 इनफाइनाइट पॉइंट पे डिस्कंटिन्यूटी है. Then the discontinuity cannot be removed. But here if you check, the discontinuity is only at a point. So only at a point the discontinuity can be removed. Are you understanding? तो यहाँ अगर उन्होंने पूछा कि whenever the range is given, is the discontinuity removable? We will say discontinuity is not removable. Here discontinuity is removable by redefining the function at x is equal to 1 as minus 1. बच्चों f of 1 का वैल्यू कितना दिया था उन्होंने? 2. कितना आना चाहिए था? minus 1. अगर ये वैल्यू minus 1 होती, अगर f of 1 की वैल्यू minus 1 होती तो discontinuity रिमूव हो जाती. Are you understanding? So what we will write down? The given function or the given function discontinuity can be removed by redefining the function at x is equal to 1 as minus 1. Right? So in short, अगर discontinuity range के ऊपर है तो discontinuity निकाल नहीं सकते. अगर at a point है तो discontinuity remove कर सकते. बराबर है? Stop. Function is being given as x square plus 8 for x greater than or equal to 0. 2 root of x square plus 1 plus b for x less than 0. Where f of 1 is being given as 2. We are supposed to find out the value of a and b. So please understand the question. Right? Please here. They have given you the function is continuous at 0. They have also given you f of 1 is equal to 2. And our job is to get the value of a and b. So we are on the second part of continuity. We will equate and get the value of the constants. In this case, they give you it is continuous. and we are going to find out the values of the constant. So the first step is identify the function. X greater than 0 means x tends to 0 from positive side and f of 0. X less than 0 means x tends to 0 from negative side. Do you agree? Now, f of 1 is equal to 2. So let's understand the meaning. F of 1 is equal to 2 means when x is equal to 1, fx is equal to 2. I repeat, x is equal to 1, fx is equal to 2. Now value of x is 1 will be in the first function or the second function. Do you agree that it is the first function? x की वैल्यू 1 पहले फंक्शन में ही रहेगी क्योंकि यहाँ x is greater than 0 है. यहाँ x की वैल्यू 0 से कम है मतलब नेगेटिव है. अगर ये f of -1 होता ना तो मैं दूसरे वाले फंक्शन में आता. Do you agree? So f of 1 is equal to 2 means x is 1, fx is 2. So let's substitute f of 1 मतलब बच्चों x के जगह पे 1. 1 square plus a is equal to 2. So I get the value of a as 1. I repeat, f of 1 is equal to 2. One value for the first function only. तो बच्चों f of 1 is equal to 2 का मतलब जब x की वैल्यू 1 तो fx की वैल्यू 2. देखो फंक्शन में x के जगह पे 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट किया है. 1 square plus a is equal to 2. So I got a का वैल्यू 1. Now I want to get the value of b. They have clearly mentioned that these two functions are continuous. So since the function is continuous, limit of fx as x tends to 0 from positive side must be equal to limit of fx as x tends to 0 from negative side. I have given you that the function is continuous. मतलब 0 from positive side must be equal to 0 from negative side. Okay. Now, which limit as x tends to 0 from positive side के लिए function क्या है? x square plus b. And 0 from negative side के लिए the function is 2 root of x square plus 1 plus b. Please check it. 0 from positive side the function is x square plus 8. 0 from positive side function is x square plus 8. 0 from negative side function is this. I can equate these two because function is continuous. Now in this case I also know the value of a as 1. So I can substitute a as 1. Now let me solve this problem of limit. 0 square plus 1 is equal to 1. I am replacing x by 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1 plus b. So this whole quantity is 2. Plus 2 comes here as minus 2. So I get minus 1 is the value of b. So a very very important sum. Many a times it recurs in the examination. And the easiest part of it. बच्चों एक बार मैं समराइज करता हूँ. प्लीज बराबर से देख लो. For x greater than 0 and equal to 0, they have given the function as x square plus a. For less than 0, they have given you this function. I want to find out the value of a and b. They have given you two things. First, the function is continuous at 0 and f of 1 is equal to 2. Solution starts. F of 1 is equal to 2 means when x is equal to 1, fx is equal to 2. So x is equal to 1, I will have to substitute in the first function. 1 square plus a is equal to 2, the value of a is 1. Function is continuous, so I can equate these two values. I am equating these two values, at the same time I am replacing a by 1 because we have found out that in the first part. So x square plus 1 is equal to 2 root of x square plus 1 plus b. Now replace x by 0, so left hand side is 1. Replace x by 0, the left hand side is 2 plus b, so you get the value of b as minus 1. Stop. Function is e raised to 3x minus 1 upon ax when x is less than 0 equal to 1 when x is equal to 0 and log of 1 plus bx upon x when x is greater than 0, and our job is to once again find out the value of a and b. Please clear the question. Is the question clear? See, they have given you that this function is continuous at 0 and our job is to find out the value of a and b. So first the logic I will discuss, which is since the function is equal, I mean to say since the function is continuous, all these three values are equal, so I will equate 1 and 2 to get the value of a, and I will equate 2 and 3 to get the value of b. Is the concept clear? So we'll write down, since the function is continuous at x is equal to 0, limit of fx as x tends to 0 from negative side must be equal to f of 0. For x tends to 0 from negative side, बच्चों कंटिन्यूटी की हमारी पहली स्टेप तो वही है, चेक द फंक्शन. तो x लेस देन 0 मींस 0 फ्रॉम नेगेटिव साइड, इक्वल टू 0 मतलब f of 0, ग्रेटर देन 0 मतलब x tends to 0 from positive side. Do you agree with this? Now 0 from negative side, the function is e raised to 3x minus 1 upon ax. F of 0 is being given as 1. Right? Now let me take 1 upon a outside. So what remains here? E raised to 3x minus 1 upon x. Yes, I want to reduce the problem in a raised to x minus 1 upon x. So I have to do the provision of 3. Divide by 3 and multiply by 3. So 1 upon a as it is. This whole quantity becomes log of e into 3, which is equal to 1, which log of e is 1. So I will get 3 upon a is equal to 1. So when I cross multiply, I get a is equal to 3. Please check it. Log of e is 1. So 3 upon a is 1. Cross multiply, a is equal to 3. Do you understand this properly? Similarly, I shall equate second and third to get the value of b. So we'll have to write down the statement. Since the function is continuous, wherever the arrow is there, you have to write down that statement. Limit of fx, I am going to equate second and third. So x tends to 0 from positive side must be equal to f of 0. I am equating second and I am going to say third and second. So 0 from positive side के लिए the function is log of 1 plus dx upon x, and f of 0 is being given as 1. Please check. I am equating second and third. Now this 1 upon x will go here, so it will be log of 1 plus bx raised to 1 upon x. Now I have to do the provision of b. So b upon 1 will be written as 1 upon b will be written as b. Please check it. First constant को बच्चों उल्टा कर दो और बाद में सीधा कर दो. Now this whole quantity is e. I am applying formula of 1 plus x raised to 1 upon x. Log of e raised to b. Log of e raised to b is equal to 1. b will come here. So b log of e is equal to 1. Log of e is equal to 1. So I get the value of b as 1. Please see the sum carefully. एक बार प्रॉब्लम को समराइज कर दो, प्लीज बराबर से देखो. See, first step. बच्चों, the question is they have given you the function is continuous and I want to check the value of a and b. In continuity, the very first step identify the function. Less than 0, 0 from negative side, equal to 0, f of 0, greater than 0, 0 from positive side. Now the logic is equate 1 and 2 to get the value of a, 2 and 3 to get the value of b. So I have equated first and second. You can check first and second, taken a outside, did the provision of 3, applied the formula of a raised to x minus 1 upon x, and got the value of a. Similarly, I have equated second and third here. Second and third, I have taken 1 upon x here, apply the formula of 1 plus x raised to 1 upon x. Please check it. b फर्स्ट उल्टा कर दिया और उसको सीधा कर दिया. So this whole quantity is e, log of e raised to b, which is 1. b comes here and you get b is equal to 1. Clear? Stop. The question number 20 from your worksheet. Sorry, 19.